In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule email to send later in Microsoft Outlook. If you want your message to arrive at the perfect time, Outlook makes it easy to write the email now and send it automatically later. This is especially useful if you're working ahead, sending across time zones, or simply want to stay organized without forgetting to hit send at the right moment. To get started, go to your Outlook inbox. Once you're in your mailbox, look to the top left corner of the screen and click on New Email. This will open a new message window where you can prepare the email just like you normally would. Next, fill out all of your email information, add your recipient, enter your subject line, and write the message in the body of the email. Take a moment here to review everything before scheduling it. Since the message will be sent automatically later, it's a good idea to make sure the content is complete and ready to go. When your email is prepared, look at the send button. Instead of clicking send right away, click on the drop-down next to send. This opens additional sending options. From that menu, click on schedule send. Outlook will then show you scheduling choices. To choose your own specific delivery time, click on Customize Time. This gives you more control over exactly when the email will be sent, rather than relying on one of the default suggested times. Now click on the Select a Date field and choose the date you want your email to go out. After that, click on the Select a Time dropdown and choose the exact time you want the message to be delivered. Try to pick a time that makes sense for the person receiving it, especially if they may be in a different time zone or if you want your email to arrive during normal business hours. Once you've selected the date and time, the final step is simple. Click on Send. Outlook will now hold the email and automatically send it at the scheduled date and time you chose. And that's it. You've successfully scheduled an email to send later in Microsoft Outlook. This is a great feature for planning ahead, managing communication more professionally, and making sure your emails arrive when they're most likely to be seen. If you use Outlook regularly, this small tool can make a big difference in staying efficient and organized.